What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're reviewing the Lambo truck. Y'all ready for the footage? We got the Lambo truck. Y'all see that front end mean? Go over to the wheels. Got the 22-inch wheels with the Continental tires. Big calibers. We got the like drill rotors. These things is huge in person. Got that yellow. Of course, you got the blinkers right here. Blind spot detection in the mirror. Side, back, same thing. Got the calibers with the rotors. Got the back, look at me. Rainbow on the back. Excuse the noise from that loud ass truck that's going by. Got the quad exhaust. Got the sensors for the backup camera. Lights looking nice. Got the roof looking good. Now we're about to go to the inside. Doorway, we got speakers, you know, of course, everywhere. Sway, red and black. Pop this up to start it. Put your feet on the brake. Steering wheel automatic adjust. Got the digital dash. Normal stuff, you know, satellite radio, different modes, navigation, etc. Also got the heated seats, AC seats, control the air. Got the different modes. I don't know too many details on the different modes there, but y'all can do your research. Different buttons. Adjust the drivetrain, suspension, put it on eco mode, save some gas. Lambo in the passenger. Also got swave at the top here. Got a speaker here. Look like it's a few speakers up here too. Swave with the roof. That's how you let it back. That's the button to let it back. Nice, decent little. Nice seats, leather, red and black, Lambo symbol. Take it out to the back. Speaker that's down here. It's a speaker right here. Air comes through right here. AC. This right here is also touchscreen. So you can control your side for the heat, AC, for the, you know, adjust the seat. Got the Lambo symbol on the seat. Got a speaker right there. Speaker on the other side. Old suede roof. Nice size sunroof. Get y'all to pop this hood real quick. Y'all see the motor. Big V8 a little dusty. Driving shop this motherfucker. It's all caved in, but shit looking good. Can't see too much detail. Got the wash fluid nigga right there. But yeah, that's pretty much just the basics of the Lambo. I give it a 10 out of 10. I definitely like it. Definitely the dream vehicle. It's worth it. Hey, that was my view of the Lambo. Now I'm off to enjoy this motherfucker.